humanoid robotics has crossed a historic threshold. A bipedal robot developed by AgiBot has officially entered the record books after completing the longest nonstop walk ever achieved by a humanoid machine. It traveled 106 kilometers, 65 miles, from Suzhou, its Jinji Lake, to Shanghai, its iconic Bund, without shutting down even once. What makes this achievement extraordinary isn't just the distance, it's the environment. The robot navigated real urban conditions: sidewalks, bridges, traffic intersections, ramps, and crowded pedestrian zones. Using advanced sensor fusion combining LiDAR, GPS, infrared vision, and AI-based perception, it continuously adapted to obstacles, both day and night. Unlike earlier demonstrations confined to controlled labs, this journey unfolded entirely in public spaces. Its modular battery system allowed hot swapping without powering down, solving one of robotics' biggest challenges: endurance. Recognized by Guinness World Records, this milestone signals a turning point. Humanoid robots are no longer limited by short operational windows. They are rapidly approaching human-level stamina in the real world.